Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, La Vida with Kim, and today guys I have an extra special video because I'm super excited. If you guys know, you know, I am a huge Nightmare Before Christmas fan. And guys, so I was like googling and YouTubing trying to find the new merch, and I came across Nightmare Before Christmas fraps, guys. Did you guys know about this? So apparently it was like a thing around like 4 or 5 years ago. I had no clue, guys.
I didn't know about it either.
I don't know how I didn't, but I didn't know. My gosh, look, my hands are so red. I was holding, okay, let me tell you. So yes, like the fraps. I was holding the fraps. We just went to go get them. And we're about to taste test right now, guys. So I got the hubby right here. Yeah, I'm all talking and I'm not even like introducing my guest. Well, I got my hubby with me and he's going to help me taste test the fraps because he loves fraps. I'm more of a lattes girl when we go to Starbucks. But yeah, so I brought him with me. No. So I told him to come.
I thought I live here. What the hell?
So I told him to do this video with me. So, you know, you can get a frap lover's perspective and then a lattes
Lover perfection.
Perspective. You sound stupid. Anyways, okay, guys, let's get started because they're already melting, okay?
Yeah.
So there's 3 different ones.
So I'm her husband, by the way. Thank you for asking.
I said you're my hubby.
I thought we were doing a collab.
Yes. Okay, I guess you can call it a collab because he does have his own channel. Girls, if your car's not working, if your husband has not took it to the mechanic and he's telling you he's going to fix it, tell him to go watch my husband's channel and learn how to work on your car so he can fix it, okay? I'm going to link his channel down below. Tell your hubbies to go check it out. He has an automotive channel, so yes. Okay, guys.
Can we just try these fraps already?
Yes. Okay, yeah. Okay, so there's 3 different ones that were, you know, popular back in the day, like 4 years ago, I said. So, what are you doing?
I'm just eyeballing the fraps.
Oh.
It's just like all of them right there. It makes me want some.
So, I got 3 different ones. It is a Jack one, a Oogie Boogie, Sally, and another new one that I saw just came out this year. So, yeah, let's try them out. If this goes well, we're going to try the lattes because there's like 4 other drinks that I want to try. Also, Nightmare Before Christmas inspired. So let's try them.
The drinks are melting.
Okay, let's begin with...
Yes, I'm excited.
Who should we start with?
I think we should start with Sally.
Sally?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try some Sally.
So this is Sally's. Look at this. Can you guys see it? It has strawberries in it. Let me read it. Hold on. Hold it, babe. I'm going to read what it is. Okay. Hold on. Don't tell me how it tastes. So this is Sally's, okay? Show it. It's a vanilla bean, don't spill it either. It's a vanilla bean frap with matcha powder. It has caramel syrup drizzled in the cup. It is topped with some whipped cream. It has strawberry puree and strawberry inclusions. Those are the strawberry pieces you see in there. That comes like usually in their like juice drinks, you know? So yes, that's what it has. I'm also going to link the recipes or orders in the description below just so you guys can go ask for them if you're interested. Okay, so let's try Sally's. Okay, you already tried it. Tell me what you think.
Well, you try it first and then we'll go from there.
Okay, I'll mix it a little bit. Oh, I can't even mix it. It's like
What?
still like
Icy?
yeah.
I think that's why it's called frap.
Okay. I just like ate a chunk of caramel. Oh my god, look how much caramel they put in there.
We should get an apple and dip it in there when we're done.
For real? Make caramel apples.
Okay, you drank it like 8 times already.
I'm trying to get the vibe, you know? Like half of those sips were caramel. Okay, I am getting the vanilla bean in there. It has a bunch of caramel, as you guys can see. Have you guys tried the It frap? You know, that was like popular like what, a year, 2 years ago? Mm-hmm. It was just the vanilla bean as well with the strawberry. It's the same thing.
It's actually not that bad. I feel like I'm eating a caramel apple.
Yeah.
With a little bit of strawberry on it. It's weird.
Yeah, it honestly tastes like a... You know what it tastes like?
It tastes like a caramel apple.
My favorite lollipops. Mm-hmm. The caramel apple lollipops.
Yeah.
That's what it's giving me. But it does taste like the It frap. Same thing, basically. I feel like everything on top, the strawberries and all that, it's just for the look. And the matcha, or what is that? The green thing? What was it? Yeah, the tea powder, the matcha tea powder on the top. It's just for the look. Mm-hmm. Let me see. Yeah. It's good, though. I like it.
I actually like it.
Would I order this again? Honestly, not. Yeah, I don't know.
I would
don't-
order it again, but the only thing is like I don't remember anything you said to order that.
Oh my god, guys. So we went to go order it, right? I was like, let's go in the afternoon because I've been wanting to do this. I've been wanting to try them. But I was like, let's go in the afternoon when we know it's not going to be busy, right? And it was like not busy at all, which was awesome. So I was like, I went up to the counter,
Clerk.
to the barista,
Or purchasing this now.
to the barista. I went up to the barista and I was like, you're going to hate me right now. And then I just started ordering. But yeah, guys. So yeah, I mean, nothing special. I'm going to also put the prices right here so you guys can get the vibe of, you know, how much it costs, if it's worth it, if it's not. I honestly don't think so. I think it was around like they were like $10 each, right? Around?
Yeah.
Because all that,
$9.89, I think it was. I think it says price right, you know?
no. It was on the app, on the receipt. But yeah, I'll put the prices up here so you guys can see how much it was. But yeah, guys, I don't honestly think like there's nothing special about it. But this is the first one so far.
Tastes like a caramel apple.
It does. And I love caramel apples with the peanuts. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think I would pay $10 for this drink.
And she's been sipping it the whole time.
I'm just thirsty. I guess I don't know. Okay. Next one. Oogie Boogie or Jack? Oogie Boogie. Because I want to try both Jacks together. Okay. So this is a Oogie Boogie one. What? What?
Nothing.
Hold it. I'm going to read the ingredients. Model it. The drink, not you. Can you stop drinking it?
I'm sorry. It's just tempting.
Okay. So this is a white mocha frap with Java chips mixed in. It has whipped cream at the bottom. Did they put the whipped cream? Oh, yeah. I can see white in there.
Yeah. It's just melted.
It has whipped cream on the bottom with a couple of Java chips on top of that whipped cream. And then it has whipped cream on top with a dusting of matcha powder and mocha cookie crumbles. They just threw the chunks of the matcha. I just realized. They're like, here you go.
Looks like rat poisoning to me.
I know, it looks kind of scary.
So I'm going to let you try that first.
You already drank it.
Oh, here you go.
Okay.
I'm not impressed with it either.
What the heck is this? Okay, the first thing that came to my mind was like beef jerky.
What the? Let me see that.
Like the aftertaste? Or like something. I don't know what it is, but it's like something that is not a drink. Like a food thing. Do you taste like that? Like, you know when you open the beef jerky bags and it has like a smell? No?
I don't know. But
What
I
do
don't
you
really
think?
taste anything. I don't like Oogie Boogie's one. So as of right now, Sally is
Oh
number
yeah,
one.
this is like, I don't even know how to describe this. I can taste a little bit of coffee in there. And no, not beef jerky. What are the Long Johns? Or what are they called?
You just said it.
That's what they're
I
called?
thought they're called Long Johns or Jimmy Jeans or...
Jimmy things. I don't know, those long things that you open. Look at them.
I think it's called Jimmy.
Jimmy things. You don't taste them? Like the aftertaste that gives you?
I don't know.
Ugh.
Slim Jims.
Slim Jims, yeah?
I think it's called Slim Jim.
Yeah, Slim Jims.
Yeah, Slim Jim.
I know, that's super random, guys, but ooh. Mm-mm. I don't know what Oogie Boogie's made out of. Worms. Apparently, because this is nasty. It's giving me like that. Like, I don't know, guys. This is not it at all. Highly don't do this. It has like a coffee taste, but then like quickly like a Slim Jim somehow. I don't know. That's what I'm tasting.
I think we should just throw it away. In the end, are we going to rate these?
Yes. Okay. Oogie Boogie is like all the way at the bottom. Oh, I think my stomach's starting to hurt. Okay. Jack is next. So like I said, I got two different Jacks. It's the old one and then the new one, okay? This is the old one first. This is a pumpkin spice frap with a pump of chia syrup, mocha drizzle in the cup. It's topped with whipped cream and Java chips. Pretty simple. Taste it. What's that face?
I got like a cold version of hot cocoa with marshmallows and cinnamon.
Ooh. Let's see.
That's what I got from it. Like a cold hot cocoa.
Yes.
Like a cold hot cocoa with cinnamon and chocolate and marshmallows.
You hungry?
I just want a burger now.
Okay, guys. Okay, we're huge Disney fans, right? Disneyland just dropped a Abuelita hot chocolate, but cold version. If you tried that, this is kind of what it tastes like, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah, now that you're saying it.
I actually think this is better. It's not bad. I feel like this is giving me such Christmas vibes.
Christmas vibes, yeah.
And it smells so freaking good. Like, I was smelling it in the car. I was like, oh my God, one of these drinks smells so good. I don't know which one it was, but it's this one. Oh my God. It smells delicious.
That's
I
actually
love
really
it.
good. I think the new one's going to have to top the old
It
one.
has like a cinnamon hit though, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells so good.
Imagine tasting that warm.
Oh, this would be a good warm drink. Like if they made that into a warm
We
drink.
should put it in the microwave.
Okay, so it's good, but I think still Sally's on the top.
Yeah.
Then this one. Okay, let's try the other Jack one. Okay, so this is a new one that just came out this year.
This one looks like a chocolate heart attack.
Okay, so this one is a cookie crumble frap with 2 pumps of cinnamon dolce. Dulce?
It's dulce in Spanish.
Dolce. No, dulce is D-U, not D-O.
Oh.
With a Mocha Drizzle syrup on the cup, and then topped with the affogato shot and cinnamon dulce topping. Try.
You try it first. I tried the other one.
So this is the other Jack one. This one smells good too. Okay, this is like more coffee-ish. This tastes how Starbucks smells when you walk in. It's not bad. It kind of tastes like the other one though, in a way.
Mm-mm.
No?
Oh, this one tastes different.
I said in a way. I say it tastes the same.
No,
Which one do you think's better? Let me see. Wait.
Sorry.
I was getting attacked. I think I like the old one better. Try at the same time. Not like at the same.
That's what you told me to do.
One at a time, but like, you know.
So
So you can taste the difference.
I'm just following directions. Okay. I'm still gonna go with this one.
Right?
Wait, which one's the old one? This one tastes better.
This is the old one.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one.
And then that one.
Yeah, this one's really good.
Yeah. Okay. Hopefully our reviews make sense somehow. I don't know. But let's rate them. So for our number one, or for my number one, I'm going with Sally.
Okay.
She's the best one. You?
We'll rate all of them, and then I'll rate them.
No.
No?
rating
Oh, we're doing about
time.
one by time?
Yes.
Okay.
Which one's your number one?
My number one would be Sally.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. I
Sally,
think she
yes.
tastes better. Not like that.
The drink is better.
The drink tastes better.
Anyways, number two. I would say the old Jack one, which is this one. The pumpkin frap.
So you gave me the shitty ones.
I'm not saying those are the ones you're gonna keep. I'm just
Okay.
like, so everybody can see them at the same time.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, the second one, the pumpkin frap.
Now, what do you rate Oogie Boogie compared to the New Jack?
The new Jack. The new Jack one's better.
And Oogie Boogie's last.
Yes. So first, Sally. Second, Jack, the old one. Third, Jack, the new one. And last, I don't even want to put it in the list. Oogie Boogie. That is disgusting.
Like, I just want to throw this over there.
Ugh. Don't do that to yourself. Please don't.
This one's nasty.
Yeah, I don't know. But yeah. So happy I finally got to try them. I've been wanting to try them like since I found out about them. So yes, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to try the lattes next, right?
Sure.
There's like a Sally one that looks so cool. A zero. The Mayor's looks bomb. And then
There's a mirror?
the Mayor.
I know, but for this one too?
No, lattes.
Oh.
And then I think it was Oogie Boogie. But yeah. Here's our opinion. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go try them if you want to. If you want, do it at your own risk. Okay, I already told you, don't do Oogie Boogies. Go for Sally's if you want to, or one of Jack's. But yeah, guys, I'm going to link everything down below. All the ingredients, how to order it. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Like I said, I want to try those lattes. We're gonna try them, right?
Yeah, we're gonna try them.
Okay. So yeah, guys, in the meantime, go check out my other videos, my DIYs, all my Nightmare Before Christmas videos, and all the other random stuff I have in there, guys. Go check it out. Like this video if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you haven't. If you already subscribed, thank you so, so much. Tell your hubbies to go check out my hubby's channel, okay? Tell them to learn how to work on cars if they don't. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
This one's nasty.
I think I'm going to get frostbite.
Oh, I'm gonna throw this shit over there.